students, now let us try solving quadratic equations or finding the roots of quadratic equation by quadratic formula. Yes, so many students will be very much familiar with the formula which I am going to write now, that is the very famous formula called as quadratic formula here. So let me write down the formula. X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2 into a. So this is called as a quadratic formula. Fine. Now I need to solve this quadratic equation by making use of this quadratic formula. So this is only called as solving a quadratic equation by quadratic formula. Fine. Now in this, a is this. If I compare this with this, I write down here, that is a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 7, and c, that is this, is equal to plus 3. Fine. Just you need to substitute this a, b and c in this formula. You will get the answer, that is the values of x. Now carefully observe here this term, that is b square minus 4ac. So b square minus 4ac, this term is called as discriminant. I will write down here, it is called as discriminant. Fine. Or sometimes it is also called as delta. Either it is been represented by the capital D, or it is called as discriminant, also it is called as delta. All these three means one and the same. Fine. Now let me just substitute the values of a, b and c in this formula and try solving this quadratic equation. Fine. Now a is, I don't know, if I compare this with this, compare this equation with this, that is general form of equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. From this, a is, yes, a is equal to 2, right? I have done it here. A is 2, b is minus 7 and c is 3. So I'll just substitute over here, that is minus b is minus 7 plus or minus root of b square is minus 7 square minus 4 into a is 2 and c. What is c? C is 3 whole divided by 2 into a is 2 into 2. I repeat, I am just substituting the values of a, b and c in this quadratic formula in order to get the values or the roots of quadratic equation. So write down here this as quadratic formula. So this as quadratic formula. Fine. Now just simplify this, you will arrive at your solution. So x is equal to minus into minus is plus. So I will write down it as plus 7 plus or minus, then root of, what is 7 square? 49, right? Now if I square any negative number, I will get a positive number. So therefore minus 7 square is also plus 49 minus 4 into 2. How much is 4 into 2? 4 2 is 8, 8 3 is 24. Yes, so this is 24 divided by 2 into 2 is 4. So from this, yes, tell me, it is 7 plus or minus, how much is 49 minus 24? 49 minus 24 is 25 by 4. X is equal to, since I have plus and minus, I will arrive at two answers, and the square root of 25. Yes, 25 is a perfect square, right? So square root of 25 is 5. I will write down it as 7 plus or minus 5 by 4. So one of the answer will be x is equal to 7 plus 5 by 4. Another answer will be 7 minus 5 by 4. So how much is 7 plus 5? 7 plus 5 is 12. So 12 by 4 is nothing but 3. Similarly, x is equal to 7 minus 5 is 2. 2 by 4 is 1 by 2. So therefore x is equal to 3 as well as x is equal to 1 by 2. So I have derived at two answers. That is, this x values are only called as root of quadratic equation. Now I think this is a very easier method or the easiest way in order to solve any quadratic equation, right? You don't need to bother about factorization, no need to bother about completing the square method. Just substitute the formula here and substitute the values of a, b and c. You will arrive at your solution. Yes, let us try solving the quadratic equation by formula method. Now let me write down the formula first. The formula here is x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Fine. So x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is a quadratic formula. Now just compare this with the general formula, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. If I compare this and this, what is a, students? A is 2, b is 1, c is minus 4. Fine. So a is 2, b is 1 and c is minus 4. Just substitute the values of a, b and c in this formula. We will get the roots of quadratic equation. Let me do it here. So x is equal to minus b here is plus 1, so this is plus 1 plus or minus root of what is b square? B square is 1 square minus 4 into a is 2, c is minus 4 divided by 2 into a is 2. Fine. I repeat, minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4 into a into c divided by 2 into a. Just simplify this, you will get your answer. That is, x is equal to minus 1 as it is plus or minus this term, that is 1 square is 1 minus 4 in minus into minus is plus. So I will write down here as plus. 4 4s are 16. 16 into 2 is 32. Yes. Minus into minus, I am multiplying, I am getting this as plus. Then 4 into 2 is 8, or you can do it 4 into 4 is 16. 16 into 2 is 32. Fine. Whole divided by 2 into 2 is 4. Now so just simplify this. X is equal to minus 1 plus or minus 32 plus 1 is 33 whole divided by 4. Is it clear? Now since I have plus and minus, I will be getting two values of x. So that is x is equal to minus 1 plus root 33 by 4 is a one value, and x is equal to minus 1 minus root 33 by 4 is the another value. These are the two answers for the quadratic equation, that is 2x square plus x minus 4 is equal to 0. I hope you are very familiar with this formula method now. Now, are you finding this simple, students? Yes. Why? You just need to substitute one formula and you will arrive at your answer. Fine? Yes. Copy this. See, I want to tell you one thing, that is mathematics. Mathematics is all about concept and problems. Fine. If you are very familiar with the concept, solving problems is very easy. Means if you understand one concept, you can easily solve hundreds or thousands of problems. Fine. So please concentrate on the concept. Whatever I am teaching, you will be able to solve all the problems. Fine. And please, if you like my channel, please do like my channel and subscribe my channel, so that I can work on it and can solve more and more problems and bring out more concepts on mathematics. Thank you, class. Yes, let us try solving few more problems on finding the roots of quadratic equation by formula method. Yes, tell me the formula. The formula is x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Fine. So this is what I have given the formula in my previous video. That is, this is called as quadratic formula. I repeat, the quadratic formula is x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4 into a into c divided by 2a. Now what is this a, b and c? A, b and c are nothing but the constants here. That is the coefficient of x square is a, coefficient of x is b, and the constant term is c. I'll write it over here. That is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Fine. Now if I substitute a, that is a is equal to 4, b is equal to 4 root 3, and c is equal to 3. Means if I compare this general form of quadratic equation with the given question, I will be getting a as 4, b as 4 root 3, and c as 3. Fine. Now just you need to substitute these values of a, b and c in this formula. You will arrive at your answer. So let me try this. So x is equal to minus, what is b here? b is 4 root 3 plus or minus, again b square is 4 root 3 whole square minus 4 into what is a? a is 4, and what is c? c is 3 whole divided by 2 into what is a? a is 4. So I hope you are very clear with this step. Next step is just simplification and try getting the values of x. So this is x is equal to minus 4 root 3 plus or minus root of, if I square this, that is 4 square. How much is 4 square? It is 16. And if I square this, that is root 3 whole square. So I will get this as 3. Why 3? Because this square root and square will cancel. Fine. So after this it is minus, just multiply this term, 4, 4, 3, that is 4 into 4 is 16, and 16 into 3 is 48. 48 divided by 2 into 4 is 8. So from this x is equal to minus 4 root 3 plus or minus, how much is 16 into 3? Again it is 48, minus 48 whole divided by 8. From this x is equal to minus 4 root 3 plus or minus, 48 plus minus gets cancelled, so we will be remaining with 0. So root of 0 is nothing but 0 and 8. Now simplify this further. So x is equal to minus 4 root 3 divided by 8. Because here I have 0, I can neglect this. Fine. So my answer for x will be equal to 4 ones are 4 twos are. So this is x is equal to minus 3 by 2. Therefore the root of quadratic equation here is x is equal to minus root 3 by 2. Yes. Let us quickly try solving this problem. That is 2x square plus x plus 4 is equal to 0. So what is the formula? Formula is x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of, very good, it is b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Yes, if I compare this with the general form, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, I can write a as 2. So equate a as 2, b with this, the coefficient of x, so b will be 1, c will be 4. Fine. So after getting the values of a, b and c, just substitute these values in the formula, you will get the answer. That is x is equal to minus b is 1 plus or minus root of b square is 1 square minus 4 into a is 2 and c is 4 whole divided by 2 into a is 2. Is it fine? Yes. Therefore further simplification, x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root of, what is b square? It is 1 square minus 4 into 4. How much is 4 into 4? 4 into 4 is 16 and 16 into 2 whole divided by, denominator I have 2 into 2. So 2 into 2 is 4. Therefore x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root of 1 minus. How much is 16 into 2? 16 into 2 is 32. So 32 divided by 4. From this x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus 1 minus 32 is minus 31 divided by 4. Now carefully observe here, I have a negative number inside a root, square root. So if I have a negative number inside a root, it will be an imaginary number, right? So therefore, by looking at this, what I will declare is, that is this term, root of minus 31. This value is nothing but b square minus 4ac, right? Because from here, that is b square minus 4ac, I am reducing that to minus 31. Therefore, if this b square minus 4ac is less than 0, if it is less than 0, I can tell the roots of this quadratic equation does not exist, or in other words, I will tell the roots of the quadratic equation is not real. So I will write down here, since b square minus 4ac is lesser than 0, or it is a negative number, I can tell roots of quadratic equation do not exist. Fine. I hope you are very familiar now with solving the problem of quadratic equation by formula method. So I have solved total 4 problems on this. I hope you are following this